Today we're in the new Subaru Crosstrek, and what we want to do is show you how to use wireless Apple CarPlay. So let's start on the screen here. You can click this little phone icon in the bottom right corner, and then Manage Devices, you're going to go ahead and select Add. Now this is when we'll go back to the phone. So you've got your gray settings menu, so go ahead and select that. And then the third option down is going to be Bluetooth. So if you go ahead and click on Bluetooth, right down here, Other Devices, where we're going to see Subaru Crosstrek pop up. So you can click Crosstrek there, and then if the pin matches on the phone and on the screen, go ahead and select Pair, and then you can allow contacts and favorites to be synced, and then it will take just a second to pair into the device. So now connect to CarPlay, go ahead and select the Connect button on your phone, and then one more time on the screen it's going to ask if you want to use Apple CarPlay, and then it will ask if you want to set this as your favorite device. We'll go ahead and select Yes again there if you'd like. Now it'll take just a second, and then it will pair up wirelessly with your Apple CarPlay. So now you'll have your text messaging in here, any maps that you use or any other apps, and then every time you get in the car, it will automatically connect for you.